Hi friends, in our channel today we are going to see a healthy homemade protein powder recipe. This powder can be used as a healthy substitute for your breakfast. I have listed all the ingredients that are required to make this protein powder recipe in the video as well as in the description box of this video. Okay friends, let's get started with the recipe. So friends, making a protein powder at home is always advantageous with respect to cost, as well as we have a clear idea of all the grains that's used in this. And of course, it's homemade, so please give a try when you have some time for yourself. Now let's see the ingredients. I'm going to take 1 cup of Ragi, which is also called finger millet. It's available in all Indian stores. I'm going to take 1 cup of combination of 3 millets, Thinai, Samai and Kudhuravali, which is FoxTail millet, little millet and Barnyard millet. All 3 millets combined together in all equal proportions, total 1 cup. So Ragi 1 cup and combination of all the 3 other millets 1 cup. Half cup of black Ulur dal, which means the skin coated Ulur dal. Half cup of brown rice. Half cup of daliya, also known as Udaitha Kadalai. Half cup of green Moong dal, also called as Pacha Payaru, and then half cup of Chenna dal, chickpeas or konda Kadalai, half cup of Samba Godhumai, which is also called as wheat, quarter cup of Sabhudhana, also called as Jevvarisi, Cashews, Badams, green Cardamoms, peanuts, 10 each, Omit peanuts if allergic, and then 1 tablespoon of dry ginger powder, also called as Sukku Powder, and then a quarter cup of soya bean flour. So I could not get the soya bean, so I used the soya bean powder. If you have the soya bean, you can use quarter cup instead. Now let's start preparing the protein powder. Now we will dry roast all the ingredients except the Sukku powder and the soya bean flour, which we will add it at the last after grinding all the roasted ingredients. So when you dry roast the ingredients, keep in mind that you should dry roast them until you hear a spluttering sound of like the brown rice or the dals. So whenever you roast them, you need to fry them until you hear a spluttering sound. So friends, I have dry roasted all the ingredients except the Sukku powder and the soya bean powder. So I'm going to grind it in a mixie, and then finally once I get a smooth powder, I will mix the soya bean powder and the Sukku powder. In case if you have a proper grinding machine nearby, you're welcome to take it there and grind it. Otherwise just use your normal mixie and sieve it 2 or 3 times to get a smooth consistency of the powder. So friends, the protein powder is ready, and in my next video I will tell you how to make a porridge with this. Please like, share and subscribe if you like my video. Thank you so much for watching.